Good morning, dear children. Let us continue the chapter pronouns and we'll discuss the topic interrogative pronouns today. We'll discuss the topic interrogative pronouns. Dear children, first of all we should focus on the definition. What is an interrogative pronoun? Pronouns which are used to ask a question is called interrogative pronouns. Dear children, we know that interrogative means which is used to ask questions, and when the words which are asking questions about nouns are called interrogative pronouns. We'll study them in detail. There are 5 kinds of interrogative pronouns: who, what, whose, which and whom. These are the 5 interrogative pronouns which are used to ask questions. When they stand for the persons or things about whom or which the questions are asked, they act as interrogative pronouns. Dear children, for example, who is the President of India? If I write here, who is the President of India? In this sentence, we know the word who is asking a question. Who is asking a question about a person. If we get its answer, it is the name of a person. Who is the President of India? Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. So, as an answer, we get the name of a person. Clear? So, that is the noun. So, the word who is used here as interrogative pronoun when they stand for the person or things about whom or which the question is asked. They act as interrogative pronoun. Here this word is asking a question about any person, so it is interrogative pronoun. Dear children, the important thing to know is like possessive pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are also acting as interrogative adjectives. In the previous class you studied about possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. The same way, same words are acting as interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. We should know the difference between both. Interrogative pronouns, you know that interrogative pronouns are asking question about the person or thing, but when these words qualify a noun, they act as interrogative pronouns. When the same words, here this word is asking a question about a noun, so it is interrogative pronoun. But when the same word will qualify a noun, will describe a noun, it will play the role of interrogative adjective. Let us try to understand through the example. Now look at the board. We are discussing about interrogative adjectives now. You already studied what is an interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun means the words which are asking question about the nouns. Clear? When you will ask the question and its answer will be any person or thing, those pronouns are called interrogative pronouns. Clear? Because they are asking question about the noun. Now, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives qualify a noun. As you know, the word adjective, it is used to describe a noun or qualify a noun. Interrogative adjectives qualify a noun. Now, the words what, which, whose are interrogative adjectives. Earlier I told you the words who, what, whose, which and whom are interrogative pronouns, but the words what, which and whose are interrogative adjectives. You can see the similarity. The same word can be used in different ways, can act as interrogative pronoun and act as interrogative adjective. Now let's see what is the difference between both. Interrogative pronoun can stand alone. It can stand alone without a noun. But interrogative adjective cannot stand alone. It needs a noun with it. Interrogative pronoun replaces a noun. When you will ask a question, its answer will be a noun. But interrogative adjective modifies a noun. It modifies a noun. It describes a noun. Interrogative pronouns follow a verb. After interrogative pronoun, we can see the next word will be a verb. But interrogative adjectives follow a noun or pronoun. After interrogative adjective, you can see any noun or pronoun in a sentence. Now the examples will help us to understand it in a better way. Look at these examples. Which is your book? Which book is yours? Both the sentences look similar. Now you can see here the word which is asking question. Here also the word which is used to ask a question. Which is your book? Which book is yours? Now as you know, the simplest way to recognize interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective is if the word is followed by a verb, it is interrogative pronoun, and if the word is followed by a noun, it is interrogative adjective. You can see here the word which is followed by a noun, by a verb is, so it is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. In this sentence you can see the word which is followed by a noun, so it is interrogative adjective. It is replacing a noun and it is modifying a noun. Clear? It is replacing a noun and it is modifying a noun. It is asking a question about the noun, and here you can see it stands all alone. Here there is no noun. Clear? So by this you can recognize. The easiest way is, if it is followed by a verb, it is interrogative pronoun. If it is followed by a noun, it is interrogative adjective. Next is, what is the color of her hair? What is followed by a verb is, so it is interrogative pronoun. What is followed by a noun? Color. So it is interrogative adjective. So need not to get confused in this. Pronouns are replaced by a noun. Adjectives modify a noun. Clear? And when they ask a question, they become interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. The difference I explained you, and the easiest way to recognize them as interrogative pronoun or interrogative adjective is, if it is followed by a verb, it is interrogative pronoun. If it is followed by a noun, it is interrogative adjective. I hope the topic is clear to you all. Practice the exercises which are given in your book. Thank you.